Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be sowing stalks, Giant Perfection Mixed. It says that these, sowing time February to May, sow seed on the surface of a good free draining seed compost and lightly cover with a sprinkling of compost over vermiculite. Seal container inside a polythene bag and place at 15 to 20 Celsius until after germination, which usually takes 8 to 12 days. Do not exclude light as this helps germination. So let's get cracking. First of all, we need to get a seed tray section filled with compost, like so. Peat based compost with some feed in it. I'm going to be starting using, when I can afford to, is the peat free compost, because it's better for the environment. But I've got that many plants that I find it really difficult to get something that is the same price, that does the same job. So please don't hate me for it. I would use the other stuff if I could afford to. Right, that's that done. Give it a tap down, like so. That's that. Right, let's have a look at the seeds now, shall we? Here we go. Looking forward to growing these. I grew some last year, but I didn't look after them very well. I went away and they dried out and most of them died, so I will not be letting that happen this year. Right, let's have a look, shall we? As you can see, really nice sized seeds. Excuse my English. A couple in each one, like so. Not too many. You can always prick them out and pot them on. So if you've got a couple more in the bottom, so I've just got 2 sections to do there. Yeah, you can see them there. That's it. That's them done. So a thin covering now of compost. I would recommend growing these. They're really nice plants to grow. Beautiful flowers. That's it. Nice covering. And then a gentle watering. If you've got a sink, I would recommend watering from the bottom. I haven't got that, so I'm having to use a watering can. Yeah, I can't wait to show you the allotment when I start to get some flowers. I've ordered 72 plug plants from one of the regular plant suppliers in England, so I'm really looking forward to getting them this week. I'll show you a video when they come. But for these, if you've got any questions on stocks, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you for watching, folks, and remember, folks, happy sowing, happy growing. Have a good day, everybody. Thank you. Bye.